Hey friends, welcome to Kansas. I'm surrounded by tall grass prairie. I'm staying at this beautiful and historic limestone estate from the 1860s. Today, I'm going to show you how to make German Amerikaner. It's kind of similar to the black and white cookie we know here in the US. It's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. It's super easy to prep and quick to make, so come on in. So this house has so many beautiful features, but since we're on our way into the kitchen, I wanted to point out to you this beautiful seating area just outside the kitchen. Isn't it gorgeous? Like with these lovely chairs and like a fire pit slash place, I don't know. But let's go in and make some Americano. So now we're in the kitchen and I already prepped all the ingredients. So here I have a cup of butter. You can sub it in with 1 cup of grapeseed oil, 1 cup of sugar. I use white sugar, but I ran out of it, so I used a little bit of brown sugar. Vanilla extract, 4 eggs, and it was 3 1/4 cup flour. So to start, you want to put the butter in. Hopefully it all goes actually in. And then you want to cream that together with the sugar. Okay, so now the butter and sugar is nice and creamy and it's ready for the eggs. So 4 nice eggs, and you want to actually beat it in 1 egg at a time.
Picking up the butter. Cargo.
I have a few things to say.
Abby, what are you doing?
So I've incorporated all the eggs one by one, and now it's time to really mix it or whip it well so it gets nice and fluffy. Okay, so before I forget, we'll put in some vanilla extract.
Vanilla extraction in
I
process.
tend to be pretty generous with vanilla extract. It's about a teaspoon, but just wing it. What are you doing? You're fixing my hand, Hannah. 3 1/4 cup flour mixed with 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'll show you how to put it on the baking sheet lined with baking paper. I mean, if you want to be very precise, you can use an ice cream scoop, but basically you get a nice load of batter, place it on the tray. I think that's about the good size. Camera person, good?
Oh yeah.
Looking good.
Oh
Okay.
yeah. Can't wait to eat this. This is what she's paying me with.
So,
Amerikaner.
in exchange for helping me to film. More control. And as they sort of rise and bake, they will also even out, but you still want to sort of get the general shape. So this is your cookie dough opportunity. Here you go. It has raw eggs in there, but it should taste really good. Yeah, this is a good cookie dough.
How's the dough?
That's
Looks like there's somebody else in line for some raw cookie dough.
Abby.
Okay, and now we can pop them into the preheated oven, and they bake quickly, about 20 minutes, so you won't have to wait for very long. So the Amerikaner are ready, they look beautiful. I let them cool down a little bit. So next up is we're going to make the powdered sugar glaze. So I put in a cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add hot boiled water to it. The trick is you need to really do a little bit of this. So I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon to start. I think I'll need a little bit more there. I use a tad bit, like really just a tad bit. There. Okay, so it's nicely blended, and I think the consistency is just right. It's kind of like, I guess, like honey consistency. So I'm going to flip over the Amerikaner, and you see how this bottom is really nice and flat. All right, and then you continue to do this, and then poof. Okay. So I finished glazing the Amerikaner, and basically the glazing will set and it will become nice and even and very white. And these are, super easy to make, very quick to bake, and they're great with tea and coffee, and both for eating in or taking for a picnic or road trip. So I'll break you one to kind of show you on the inside. All right, well, I hope you make an Amerikaner and let me know what you think.